way to a call to replace some parts. Looks like we got a whole whack of recommendations by one of our techs. See if I can get us some footage. We're going to be doing burner set, some flue collar tees, and that's about it. So it's Wednesday morning, nice day outside, a little chilly, 14 Fahrenheit. So I just want to say thanks to the guys that are watch the videos, the guys that are liking and subscribing, and yeah, another day in the HVAC world, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon. All right, guys, so this is the mechanical room. We have two furnaces. Pretty big open area to work. So I'm going to figure out what needs what and get started. So I believe on this one, I'm replacing a Venner motor, flue collar tee, and the burners. Alright guys, so let's take this burner box out. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but there's 4 screws in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one. Having a really long bit helps. What's that? Just got these screws. 1, 2, 3. There we go. This comes off. Now we have access to the burners. Careful of that HSI. Set that HSI. Alright, so I got the new burners here. So let's get these in the new box, but nice and clean, brand new. Look at that. Okay, so we line it up right on these holes here. Put these bad boys back. Alright, so I'm just screwing in the HSI. burner box is in. Nice clean burners. Alright, do I have a coupling? Yeah. We'll just couple that like that. Just like that. Alright guys, so now burner box is in. Fresh burners, HSI, everything's connected. Yes sir, yes sir. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Now I gotta put a new venter motor on here. Here's the other flue collar. Okay, ripped to shit. Don't over tighten these, and you don't have to take this flue collar off. You could just go from the top. Much easier. Alright guys, that's all she wrote. All done. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the guys that are subscribing, and don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next one.